Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from MEXC to Binance. So to get started with the guide on how to do that, so the first thing to do is to log into your Binance account, then go to wallet, then from there tap on deposit, then choose the crypto you want to receive, for example USDT, BTC or any other form of crypto. Then select the correct network. For example, you can pick from the list of what you have in the video: TRC, ERC or BIP. So copy the wallet deposit address, copy the Binance deposit address. Then after that, you have to open the MEXC app or the website to access your to complete your transaction. So go to the wallet, then tap on withdrawal, then choose the same crypto, for example USDT, then paste your Binance deposit address, then select the same network you used on Binance to avoid crypto loss. Then enter the amount. So type the amount you want to send, then receive the network and review the network fee and total of this whole transaction. Then after that, tap confirm. Then enter the verification code. So MEXC will send a verification code via your email or SMS. So input the code and confirm the withdrawal. Then transfer usually completes in a few minutes depending on the network. So you will get a notification on Binance, and once the crypto arrives, and that's how you can simply transfer crypto from MEXC to Binance. By the video upload, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.